So it all started when we saw this video on Instagram where whenever a person opens up the door, the laptop screen changes automatically. Like after watching this video, we thought why not to make our own version of this project. And when we were successfully able to replicate this project, we thought why not to share it with you guys by making a dedicated tutorial video of it. So yeah, this is that dedicated tutorial video just for you guys. So just sit back and enjoy this journey. Let's get started. So to make this project, you'll need these all components whose list and links are mentioned in the article, whose link you can find in the description of this video. Also, you'll need a 5V 1A adapter along with this connector. Now for getting all these components, you need to connect them all according to these circuit diagrams. Yes, for this project, we have two separate circuit diagrams, one for transmitter and another for receiver. Now to make this project more compact, we designed our own custom PCB, and this time we designed two separate PCB on one single plane by making a slit in between so that in the end we can break it into two parts. Now after designing this PCB, we gave its order directly to JLC PCB. Now even you can order your own custom designed PCBs from JLC PCB by just uploading the Gerber file of the PCB project, select the color masking if you want it, and just place your order. Now they do have a couple of shipping options, and if you select the faster delivery option, you may get the PCBs delivered at your doorstep within a week. So try ordering your own custom designed PCBs from JLC PCB to make your project looks neat and more compact. So after receiving the PCBs, we just break the PCB into two parts, thanks for the slit in between. Now after breaking those PCBs, we soldered all the components on it one by one, and after soldering all the components, our complete project looks something like this. Neat and very compact. So yeah, that was all about the hardware part of the project. Now let's just jump on to the coding part. Now before I show you the code, let me explain the working of the project. So on the transmitter side, we have this door sensor, Arduino Nano and HC05 Bluetooth module. So as soon as the door sensor is triggered, it gives signal to Arduino Nano, and further, the Arduino Nano sends the message T via Bluetooth to the receiver side. Now on the receiver, we have the Arduino Pro Micro, HC05 Bluetooth module and a USB connector. So as soon as we receive the message T via Bluetooth, the Arduino Pro Micro board will act as a USB keyboard and sends a command to open a new window on the computer. So this is how this project works, and the logic for this is embedded inside the code, which you can easily understand by just going through it only once. Yes, the code is very simple, both for transmitter and receiver. But by uploading this code to respective boards, the project still won't work at all, and it's just because we first need to configure this Bluetooth module to act as a master and a slave module. Now there are some steps involved in making this HC05 module to act as a master and slave, and that's why I made a dedicated tutorial video of it on how to do those configuration, whose link you can find easily in the description of this video. Now why I made a dedicated video for it separately? But it's just because some of the viewers may already know how to do those configurations, and that's why I don't want to make this video unnecessarily longer. And for those who don't know, they can still watch that video and learn about it. So that's why I created a dedicated video. Now after doing this master slave configurations, you can now upload the respective code into the respective board, and that's all about the hardware and the coding part of the project. Now we are just left with installing the project and seeing it in action. So let me just show you how we install this project at our studio. So first we attach the door sensor at the main door and the transmitter PCB on the wall near the door. In the end, we powered up the whole circuit with a 5V adapter. Now the receiver part is simple plug and play, so we don't need to do any setup or connections. So yeah, we are done with the installation part of the project as well. Now let's just test this project. As you can see, the window changes instantly as soon as the door opens up. So this is the perfect project for all the students and employees out there. So do share this video with your friends who you think who badly need to make this project. As usual, do click the like button and comment below your thoughts regarding this project, and I'll see you all in some other video with some new project. And now just wait for my next video. Explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.